Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 34. When Mr. Emeka purchases goods in large quantities from the manufacturer and sells in small quantities to the retailer, he is said to be engaged in A. Advertising, B. Bulk breaking, C. Financing, D. Marketing, and E. Sales promotion. So let's look at what each of the options and see which one best describes this, what is contained in the question, which is large quantities being bought from the manufacturer and then sold in small quantities to the retailer. So option A, which is advertising, is basically just the creation of awareness in the minds of the public about the existence of a product. Now option B, which is bulk breaking, involves buying large quantities of goods and then reselling them in smaller lots. That is bulk breaking. Now option C, which is financing, basically means providing funds for a person or enterprise. Option D, which is marketing, is simply described as a term that encompasses all activities aimed at facilitating exchange. And then option E, which is sales promotion, is the process of persuading a potential customer to buy the product. So from the definitions we have looked at, the definitions of the options, see that option B, which is bulk breaking, is buying large quantities of goods and then reselling them in smaller lots. And from the question, that is what Mr. Emeka does. He buys goods in large quantities, as we see here, and then sells them in smaller lots or smaller quantities. So he's engaged in bulk breaking. So the correct answer is B, bulk breaking. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.